Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will walk you through how to withdraw your crypto from Trust Wallet directly to your bank account. It's simple once you know the steps. Let's dive in. Know what's possible. Trust Wallet doesn't let you withdraw directly to your bank. But don't worry, I will show you how to convert your crypto to cash using platforms like Binance or P2P methods. First of all, open Trust Wallet and check your assets. If you have coins like PNB, ETHs, or BTC, we will first convert them into a stable coin like USDT for easy withdrawal. Now open Trust Wallet to convert. Use a DEX like Pancake Swap or Uniswap. Swap your crypto to USDT or another major coin. Use low fee networks like BSC, BNB Chain or Tron for cheaper transfers. Open Pancake Swap. Just open Pancake Swap and go to options. Go to swap option from here, then click here, your choose your coin like BNB and follow the steps. So next we will transfer your crypto from Trust Wallet to Binance, where we can convert it to fiat and send it to your bank. Step: open Binance, go to your dashboard and our assets, then click deposit. Choose deposit crypto. Now select your coin like USDT and select network like TRC20. Then copy the address back to Trust Wallet. Now search for Trust Wallet. Send. Now click send. Paste Binance address. Select amount. Confirm transaction. Make sure Make sure that network on Binance and Trust Wallet matches like TRC20, or you could lose your funds. Once your crypto reaches Binance, you will convert it to your local currency. Go to Binance account again. Now click trade from upper left corner, then click convert and block. Now choose your USDT to fiat currency. enter amount, and follow the process. After the conversion, the money is now in fiat and ready for withdrawals. After conversions, after conversion, after the conversion, the money is now in fiat and ready for withdrawal. Now for the final step, withdrawing to your bank account. Go to wallet from your Binance. Go to find funding. Now click withdraw from the right side. From left side, click withdraw fiat. Choose your currency, receipt method. Choose your currency and receipt method. Enter amount and bank details, confirm and submit. Processing time depends on your region and method. It usually takes 1 to 3 business days. If Binance withdrawal isn't available in your country, use P2B trading. Click on trade, then click P2B, then select sell. Now choose your payment method like bank transfer. Choose currency. Select fiat currency, filter a verified buyers like that. Click on it. Click sell USDT. Enter amount. Add your bank information. Click set payment method, then bank and enter bank card, account number, bank name, account opening branch name, then our IBAN, and follow the process and click confirm. Once the buyer sends you the money, confirm and release the crypto fast and direct. To keep your funds safe, follow this best practice. Use verified P2P traders, enable two-factor authentication on Binance and Trust Wallet. Double check wallet addresses and networks. Don't share private keys. Crypto is powerful, but security is everything. And that's it. You have learned how to move money from Trust Wallet all the way to your bank. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto how-tos, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.